Okay, guys, it is Friday. What has happened in the markets? What did I see on Friday? So let's start with gold since we're already here. So, of course, we had that breakout at 1830 as you can see. I was expecting a bit more resistance here, I'm not gonna lie, started the week. But we didn't get that actually. We just got us, we got, shut up, Terry. We broke out a lot easier than I thought. And what's it called? Probably because of the inflation news, or probably because we've just been stuck in this below this level for far too long. We've had this first try, second try, which sent us absolutely melting, third try sent us melting. So I guess this time it wasn't gonna consolidate and play around. It's just like, you know what? I'm just gonna come. Holy shit. Do you guys see that? Okay, look at this. And I'm learning this too now. See how we're weakening as we're getting closer? We make that push, but it's not enough. Now, when we come back here, we make the push and we head low. Same thing here that happened there. Kind of happens here. We're getting weaker though. Weakening. With this one, it's boom, 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 out of there. That is quite interesting to see. So back test and look at that. Anyway, let's keep going. So we broke out of there. I was like, damn, that was quick. And then 1865, I was like, damn, I didn't even get in on this move. But then we got our nice retracement. So one place I would like to watch out for in the coming weeks is 1845. It's just going to be a nice level for this pair in the future. Right there. Nice mid-level between 1865 and 1830. See how that plays out. But yeah. And then what's key is this was an inside bar. So even though we've tapped in now, we are finding some problems here. So what does that mean for next week? Could we potentially, the market just actually closed then. Could we potentially see us revisit these levels or even break above? We'll see. So the market actually just closed. So let's see how this weekly closed. So gold has been on a fucking tear for a minute now. It's with this week being the exception, we've been making new highs for the past 4 weeks. And this one, we didn't make a new low. That one, we made a new low. This, we didn't make a new low. That's crazy, yo. So on this big turn of things, can we break this level? Because I don't think we can get all-time highs again. But there's no reason why this shouldn't keep going higher, at least till the end of the year. So thereabout. Maybe it could be somewhere here in December. We'll see. GJ, this motherfucker consolidated like a bitch. Look at that. That was after such an explosive week. We've run into 153, I guess, kind of. And we just fuck around. We gave ourselves, no, 137 pips of movement. That is terrible for G. It's like 30 pips on EU. Terrible. What the fuck? So I didn't see anything on this. I tried looking for, okay, maybe we could get longs out of there. That was swiftly brought to the rest. I was like, okay, maybe shorts, but we're literally kissing this level right here. Why would we want to take a trade right there? So it's been a rough couple of days for this pair. I wanted the retest. I wanted us to head higher. I thought when GU did the same thing, this was going to follow suit, but That got cut short right here. I guess the dollar fluctuations affected G, of course, more than they would affect GJ, which was not in my favor for this pair. But looking into this week, next week, what could happen? I still want to retest, even if not at this level, not at that level, but at least back here. Some kind of leverage. We have no leverage taking a short from here. Longs are, I give you balls, but I don't know. They just don't look right to me from this level. Feels like we've fallen too far. We just need to fall some more. Here, for some longs, 151.2 is a renowned level for this pair. If we get some longs from there, that looks more proper to me. But of course, the market does what it wants, especially this bipolar bitch called GJ. All right, looking at GU, the Fibonacci gods rule today. This week, if I just do this, you can see that they all ate. I understand how to use Fibonacci. I don't use it personally because I didn't have success with it earlier in my trading career. But I'm sure for everyone who has sell limit here, what's it called? Stop loss above there, take profit 27%. They probably feasted this week because GU just started out this week. Said I'm gonna push above higher, convince everyone 3-pin pattern. I'm going long, go long a bit, create a doji, and just fall like a dick the next day. I wanted this trade. I fucking missed it. But I got 2 of the first losing trades. Then I missed the move. I knew that move was gonna come, especially when I saw us do this on the 8-hour time frame. I was like, shit. This was actually where I got stopped at one of my trades. I was like, shit, it's coming. I knew it was coming. I was like, fuck. When I saw it happen in school, I was like, yeah, of course. Shit always happens when either I'm in school or asleep. But it's good. That's trading. To make or miss league. Now, let's look at the demon behind all of these. The dollar index. Absolutely shooting for the skies. It's been dollar strong for really the whole week. Sure, we started out gathering our chops there, but after that it's just boom, boom, boom. It's easy money for this pair. Brock, we haven't seen this. What's not important to see is we have not seen 95 in general since July 20th. So what this is saying is the economy is actually recovering. No, I'm not a COVID. I'm not an expert in that. I'm not even an expert in fundamentals completely yet, but just looking at this, the economy is recovering. This double bottom is playing out nicely. My question though is it just short-lived or is it sustainable? Is it transitory? That's my question. US yields, absolutely. I noticed something. The correlation is dying down a bit because inflation was such a shock. It pushed gold up, but then they also pushed the US yield up too, which was what I was like, oh, wow. I thought for us to break 1830 on gold, would have to at least breach this level. We didn't. This was the move that pushed gold higher. So that I found really interesting. Well, that's my trading for today. I'll see y'all probably on Sunday. I'll do a video.